Good morning, children. Chapter chapter name is Freedom of India, Social Science, 5th grade. Yes, children. In the first part of the lesson, we learned how Britishers applied divide and rule policy on Indians, and it led to the partition of Bengal and how they divided the Bengalis on the basis of Hindu and Muslim, and they divided Bengal. And what are the consequences thereafter because of the partition? Now, in this part, we are going to learn formation of Muslim League and Swadeshi movement. Yes, children, you are right. After the partition of Bengal, it led to the formation of Muslim League. In the beginning, Britishers were very happy, thinking that Muslim League will support them. But so they divided Hindus and Muslims. But in the later part, the organization had, that is Muslim League had their own policies, which Britishers did not like. In the beginning, they thought they will listen, Muslim League will form the policies according to the Britishers' wish, but they did not. What it led to? This Muslim League founded in 1906 by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Samuel Khan and Aga Khan in 1906. In the beginning, they thought there will be a unity between, especially Muhammad Ali Jinnah fought for Hindu-Muslim unity. But at the end, they changed their policies. They demanded their policies are, they demanded their own governance, number one. Number two, they again demanded their own Muslim state, Muslim country, and they later prominent leaders of League demanded a separate nation. As I told you, they started demanding a separate nation that is different from India. So, in 1947, they renamed, after the partition, after Pakistan came into existence, they named Muslim League as All Pakistan Muslim League. Right, children? It is All Pakistan Muslim League after 1947. That is after the formation of Pakistan. This is all about Muslim League. Now, let us come learn about Swadeshi movement. Yes, Swadeshi means goods made by our Indians, our own people. That is, after the partition of Bengal, that is when Britishers divided Bengal, this Swadeshi movement came into existence. In this cause, Aurobindo Ghosh, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Lala Lajpat Rai, like these leaders, encouraged this Swadeshi movement. Many other leaders also encouraged this Swadeshi movement. What were the highlights of the movement? They encouraged the Indians to use Indian made products, local made products. Then they revived, there was a revival for the cottage industries. Then they boycotted the British made goods. They stopped using the imported sugar. They boycotted the sugar which were imported from British, and they burned the cloths which were imported from Manchester or from Britishers, and they boycotted the sellers who used to sell the products, imported products or British products. They totally boycotted the British product as well as other foreign products also. That is Swadeshi movement. So, large number of students, women and children were participated in this movement. If you go to the world newspaper, if you get a chance to read Swadeshi movement paper, that it may be physically present paper, or it may be a, if you can able to see it in the YouTube, definitely go and see all those Swadeshi movement pictures, movement videos. It will be very encouraging for Swadeshi movement, how our students, women, children participated in that and encouraged for the Swadeshi movement. This is Swadeshi movement. Again, our Indians boycotted the imported sugar also. Sugar was imported from Britain. So this is how the Swadeshi movement started. So children, in this freedom of India, we learned how in the beginning Britishers had applied the policy of divide and rule, how they divided the partition of Bengal happened, then how the formation of Muslim League came, how the Muslim League people wanted a separate nation for them, then again how they changed its names, then at the end it was Swadeshi movement, encouraged by many leaders and followed by all Indians. So it encouraged goods made in the India, and it encouraged the local cottage industries. They boycotted all imported products. So this is all about freedom of India, children. Thank you.